Hi, in today's video, I will be going over the Duplex Pump Station. This simulation will simulate liquid moving from one location to the next. Now the first mode that we will be simulating today will be auto mode. As you can see, I brought up the HMI on the bottom of the screen. Let's start the system real quick. As you can see, the green light is now stopped flashing and the blue light is flashing to simulate that our pump is ready to turn on. As you can see, our top tank is higher than our bottom tank. So let's change that real quick. As I open the valve, you can see the water change into the bottom tank. The green light simulates which pump is running. As you can see, pump 2 is now running. And your blue light on the stack light is now fully solid. Here's a good time to speak of what we can do with the pumps. Here I can go in and change the speed of the pumps. Right now we are at 35 Hertz. We will change it up to 60 Hertz. And as you can hear, the water is now rushing into the top tank rapidly. You can also go in and disable the pump as long with run time and count of times it's been ran. So here we'll go and disable this pump, and as you can hear, the VFD comes to a slow stop and the green indicator will come off. The next mode of operation I'd like to show you is manual mode. As I bring the HMI up to the top right of your screen, you can see the water simulate down. We'll enable manual mode and manually turn on pump 2. As the green indicator comes on, and as you can hear, pump 2 is now running. This is also a good time to speak on. You cannot disable the pump here. You have to do that in the pump info. This will only disable manually starting the pump again. We can also manually start pump 1 as well with pump 2. And now both pumps will be filling up into the top tank until your lower and bottom set point. Now that we've reached the set point, you can hear the pumps slowly coming to a halt. Now the last mode of operation I'd like to show you is PID mode. As we enable PID mode and start the system, both pumps will automatically kick on to get to your desired set point. As we go in the PID page, you can see our desired set point is 5, which is a 50-50% on both tanks. As you can hear, both tanks are slowly coming down in speed to maintain that set point. And with your real-time trends display, you can see now we have reached that 50-50%. Finally, to wrap it all up, I'd like to show my trends display and alarms display. As we go into the trends display, you have a key on the right side which shows bottom tank level, top tank level, VFD1, VFD2. As you can see, the top tank level is separating from the bottom tank level, simulating that water is going to the top tank. And you can see I open the valve, that correlates and changes. Then I'd like to go to my alarms display. You will be able to acknowledge a set alarm, acknowledge all alarms, print history, then return to main display. Now I know this wasn't the most satisfying video out there, but I want to thank you guys for watching and be prepared for project number 2.